Hello, welcome to my channel. Before proceeding to study, please subscribe to my channel. Good day, everyone. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of blockchain technologies. We'll dive into key concepts like permissioned model, its use cases, design issues for permissioned blockchains, execute contracts, state machine replication. Let's get started.
Slide 1. Permissioned model. 1. Definition. Permissioned blockchain networks operate on a restricted access model. Unlike public blockchains like Bitcoin, which anyone can join, permissioned blockchains require participants to be pre-verified and authorized. Think of it as a private club where membership is mandatory to enter and interact. This model ensures controlled participation, making it ideal for enterprise use cases where data privacy and governance are critical. For instance, a financial institution might use it to securely process transactions between trusted parties. 3. Key features explained. Access control. Only verified participants can join, enhancing security. Imagine a closed network of banks conducting secure interbank settlements. Efficient consensus. Lighter mechanisms, such as PBFT, are used to achieve agreement quickly, suitable for smaller groups. Data privacy. Sensitive information is only visible to authorized entities, maintaining confidentiality. Custom governance. Rules and permissions can be tailored for specific organizational needs. Enhanced security. Identity verification ensures that unauthorized actors cannot participate. Performance. Fewer participants mean faster transaction processing compared to public blockchains. Regulatory compliance. The design supports compliance with laws like GDPR, a key requirement for businesses. Example, Hyperledger Fabric, developed by Linux Foundation, is widely used for permissioned blockchains, offering flexibility in setting permissions and rules. Slide 2. Use cases of permissioned blockchains. 1. Applications explained. Supply chain management. Track the journey of a product from its origin to the consumer. For instance, Walmart uses blockchain to trace food products for safety and quality assurance. Finance and banking. Banks use permissioned blockchains for secure cross-border payments. JPMorgan's Quorum is a great example. Healthcare enables doctors, hospitals, and patients to securely share medical data. Think of blockchain as a digital vault for your health records. Government services. Blockchain can digitize land registries, ensuring tamper-proof public records. Identity management. Digital identities allow users to verify themselves without sharing sensitive information repeatedly. Energy sector. Optimizes energy trading, enabling peer-to-peer energy exchanges. Retail and e-commerce. Streamlines transactions and offers loyalty programs by ensuring secure data sharing. Significance. Permissioned blockchains enable secure, efficient, and transparent operations, particularly in industries with sensitive data or regulated processes. Slide 3. Advantages of permissioned blockchains. 1. Detailed explanation of each advantage. Controlled access. Only authorized members can join, reducing risks like hacking or fraud. Faster transactions. Limited participants and efficient consensus allow transactions to be processed swiftly, unlike public blockchains that can face delays. Enhanced privacy. Participants only access data relevant to their role, ensuring confidentiality. Regulatory compliance. By design, it supports adherence to rules like anti-money laundering, e-mail. Customizability. Stakeholders can set rules tailored to their operational needs. Cost efficiency. Permission systems consume less energy as they do not rely on resource-intensive proof of work power. Trustworthy environment. Pre-verification minimizes the chances of malicious actions. Example, IBM Food Trust utilizes permissioned blockchain to maintain trust and transparency in the food supply chain. Slide 4. Disadvantages of permissioned blockchains. 1. Centralization risk. Since control rests with a few entities, this model can reintroduce centralization, which blockchain originally aimed to avoid. 2. Limited scalability. Every new participant must undergo identity verification, which can slow down onboarding. 3. Setup complexity. Setting up governance, permissions, and network protocols requires time and expertise. 4. Lack of transparency. Restricted visibility can make it less transparent than public blockchains, potentially eroding trust for external observers. 5. Interoperability issues. Integrating with other blockchains or legacy systems can be challenging. 6. High maintenance costs. Ongoing management of permissions and identities increases operational costs. 7. Insider threats. The risk of malicious behavior from verified participants cannot be entirely eliminated. Example: an insider at a private blockchain in the financial sector could theoretically manipulate transaction data if governance isn't strong. Slide 5. Design issues for permissioned blockchains. 1. Identity management. Ensuring participant authenticity is critical. Blockchain employs digital certificates for secure authentication. 2. Consensus mechanism. Efficient mechanisms like PBFT must strike a balance between speed and fault tolerance. 3. Privacy and confidentiality. Access control ensures only authorized users view specific data, preserving confidentiality. 4. Interoperability. Permission systems must enable data sharing with public blockchains or other platforms. 5. Governance structure. Clear rules define decision-making, ensuring smooth operations without disputes. 6. Network performance. The network should support high throughput and low latency even as participants grow. 7. Scalability. Efficient onboarding processes and scalable consensus protocols are essential. Significance. Addressing these issues ensures permissioned blockchains remain robust and adaptable to organizational needs. Slide 6. Execute contracts. 1. Definition. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements with terms directly written into code. They automatically trigger actions when predefined conditions are met. 2. Explanation of features. Automation. Once set, smart contracts work without manual intervention, improving efficiency. Immutable rules. Terms are coded and cannot be tampered with, ensuring reliability. Transparency. Participants can see the contract terms, ensuring fairness. Speed. Eliminates intermediaries, making processes quicker. Reduced costs. By automating processes, smart contracts reduce legal and administrative expenses. Example: Ethereum's blockchain uses smart contracts extensively for decentralized applications, dApps, like financial agreements. Slide 7. State machine replication. Definition: state machine replication, or SMR, is a process in distributed systems that ensures all nodes maintain the same state by replicating operations. Think of it as synchronizing clocks across devices. They all show the same time, ensuring consistency in the system. This is done by executing the same operations in the same order across all nodes. If every node follows the same sequence of transactions, the entire system remains aligned. Key features. 1. Consistency. Consistency means that no matter which node you query in the network, you'll get the same data. This is vital in blockchain to ensure trust and reliability. 2. Fault tolerance. In distributed systems, not every node is reliable, some might fail or even act maliciously. SMR ensures the system still operates seamlessly, compensating for these faults by relying on other healthy nodes. 3. Deterministic execution. This means that the same inputs always produce the same outputs. For instance, if all nodes calculate the sum of 2 plus 2, they will all get 4. This uniformity is the backbone of SMR. 4. Order enforcement. Transactions or operations must occur in a consistent order. Imagine a bank processing deposits before withdrawals. If the sequence is disrupted, it could lead to errors. SMR ensures operations are executed in the correct order. 5. Decentralized trust. One of the most powerful aspects of SMR is its ability to replace centralized authorities. Instead of relying on one central server, the network agrees on data collectively, distributing trust. 6. Scalability. SMR is designed to handle growth. Whether you have 10 or 10,000 nodes, SMR ensures the system remains functional and consistent. 7. Resilience. Even during network disruptions, SMR keeps the system stable. By replicating data across nodes, the network can recover from failures and continue operations without losing information. Example. A practical example of SMR can be seen in Raft and PBFT, two consensus algorithms widely used in distributed systems. These protocols use SMR to ensure that nodes remain synchronized and trustworthy. Significance. State machine replication is the heart of many blockchain systems. Without it, nodes would lack consistency, and trust in the decentralized network would crumble. By enforcing order, consistency, and fault tolerance, SMR empowers blockchain to deliver on its promises of reliability and trustworthiness. Slide 8. Advantages of state machine replication. 1. High reliability. SMR minimizes the risk of losing data or facing inconsistencies. Every operation is replicated and validated across multiple nodes, ensuring the system remains robust even under challenging conditions. 2. Fault tolerance. Even if some nodes fail or behave maliciously, SMR ensures the system continues to function without disruption. This fault tolerance is a cornerstone of distributed systems. 3. Consistency assurance. SMR guarantees that all nodes maintain a uniform view of the data. For example, if a blockchain processes a transaction, every participating node will record it identically. 4. Improved security. By replicating operations and enforcing deterministic execution, SMR safeguards against unauthorized changes, making systems more resistant to tampering. 5. Decentralized control. SMR eliminates the need for a central authority. Instead, the network collectively decides the system's state, enhancing trust and fairness. 6. Efficient recovery. In the event of a failure, SMR ensures that the system can quickly recover by relying on healthy replicas, avoiding extended downtime. 7. Scalable solutions. SMR is built to support growth, ensuring that the system can maintain performance and consistency even as the network scales to accommodate more nodes. Significance. State machine replication is foundational for the reliability and trustworthiness of distributed systems like blockchain. Its advantages make it an essential component in maintaining the integrity of decentralized networks. Slide 9. Challenges of state machine replication. 1. Communication overhead. For SMR to function effectively, nodes need to exchange a lot of data to agree on the system's state. This increased network traffic constrains resources, especially in large-scale networks. 2. Latency issues. Synchronizing operations across all nodes introduces delays. For example, in a blockchain, confirming a transaction may take time because every node must validate it. 3. Complex implementation. Building SMR systems involves sophisticated algorithms to handle failures and maintain order, which increases development complexity and the risk of bugs. 4. Scalability constraints. As the number of replicas increases, the system's performance may degrade due to the additional effort required to maintain consistency across nodes. 5. Resource consumption. SMR requires substantial computational power and storage, as every operation is replicated and stored across multiple nodes. 6. Consensus dependencies. The effectiveness of SMR relies on consensus algorithms like Raft or PBFT. If these algorithms encounter issues, the entire system may be affected. 7. Limited flexibility. The deterministic nature of SMR might not suit applications requiring flexibility or non-linear processing. Example: in large-scale blockchain networks, achieving consensus using SMR can introduce delays and inefficiencies, highlighting the importance of balancing reliability and performance. Slide 10. Insights on blockchain technologies. 1. Permissioned models. These models are tailored for organizations that prioritize privacy and control. For example, a private blockchain for supply chain management ensures only authorized participants can access data. 2. Execute contracts. Smart contracts automate agreements, reducing human intervention and errors. For instance, a smart contract could automatically release payment once goods are delivered. 3. State-machine replication. SMR ensures consistency and fault tolerance, making it integral to the reliability of distributed systems. Its deterministic execution ensures that all nodes in a blockchain network have the same state. 4. Scalability needs. As blockchain adoption grows, addressing scalability becomes crucial. Solutions like sharding and Layer 2 protocols aim to increase transaction throughput while maintaining decentralization. 5. Future applications. Blockchain has potential far beyond cryptocurrency. Industries like finance, healthcare, and IoT can use it for secure data sharing, patient record management, and device authentication. 6. Hybrid systems. By combining permissioned and public blockchains, hybrid systems offer the best of both worlds, privacy and transparency. For instance, a hybrid system might store sensitive data on a private blockchain while allowing public access to non-sensitive parts. 7. Global adoption. For blockchain to achieve widespread adoption, interoperability between platforms and regulatory clarity are essential. These factors will enable seamless integration into existing systems. Significance. Understanding these insights equips students with the knowledge to design and optimize blockchain systems, preparing them for a future where distributed technologies play a central role in industries worldwide.